TREKOLOGY sent me this set of hiking sticks, and I'm so excited because my dad moves closer to me soon and he loves hiking, and now I have my very own set. So it has some Velcro around here. You just open up your Velcro and the directions tell you to hold it straight up so that you can just click these into place. This goes in here, kind of slides up, and then the next piece will slide up into there. And then right here, you will pull all the way until you hear it click, kind of like an umbrella. I don't know what side it's on. Right there. See? Just like an umbrella, and that's how you close it. And then right here, depending on your height, I'm 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. You open this kind of like a bike seat when you are making it bigger or smaller. You can pull this up, and it has the measurements on there in centimeters. So if you know exactly how tall it is, measure. And then when you figure out your height, it goes all the way up to here is where you gotta stop. And then we'll just do it as tall as it goes. And then you just push this guy back down. If it's not tight enough, like if it's still moving, then you just pop it back. And then you twist this little circle right here, clockwise. And then you can push it down again. Make it a little tighter. The handle is a really nice cork right here. It has a really good grip to it. I really like this a lot. And then it has, just feels like nylon, a nice nylon strap with their brand name on it, TREKOLOGY. Really nice, solid, well-built hiking sticks. And then what I thought was cool was it has different feet for different terrains. So the one that was on it initially was this guy right here. They just pop right on, and then I like to give it a little push to make sure it stays on. So there is this one, and then there's this little foot right here. You just make sure that you angle it forward. Then there is this one right here. They all pop on the same. This one you twist on, whereas the other ones you just push on. This one you twist on. You go all the way up. Struggling to get it. But she'll go up there, and then we have one more like that. You can see the threads on the inside for these ones. But yeah, these are really good quality. I think I had it on upside down, that's why I was struggling, because I hadn't used these two yet. Really good quality walking sticks. Definitely recommend. I love that they are portable, so you can just fold them right up. To close it back, you just push the button, just like an umbrella. Right here, I kind of pull it out and then push the button, slide it down, and then this is the part, the joint, where it opens, and then you fold it, and then you do the same thing here, hold it, and then you open your bicycle part. Definitely not the technical term. And then it has this really nice kind of Velcro strap that goes around it to hold it together. And then if you wish to, came with a nice drawstring bag. Definitely recommend these things. Really high quality, and definitely excited to go hiking with my dad again.